Hello everyone, I am alone and today I invite you to look in Creamery Cafe in Terminal 21. There are a lot of kinds of ice cream and a few varieties of ice cream cakes there. I have visited one ice cream cafe in Pattaya already. The video about previous cafe Swinsons you can see on my channel. And I have filmed some videos in Terminal 21 already. All of them you can see on my channel too.
Amazing. Sorry.
Thanks for watching. Like my video if it was interesting. Subscribe to my channel. We live in Thailand. We speak Thai. There will be many more interesting things about Thailand. I thank Mike Dammann for the music for this video and my channel. Bye guys.